Simply put, Stoicism was formulated to assist individuals in leading their utmost potential lives. It is a life philosophy that optimizes affirmative sentiments, diminishes adverse sentiments, and aids individuals in refining their qualities of character. Stoicism is an ancient philosophical tradition originating from Greece and Rome during the initial years of the 3rd century before Christ. It is crucial to bear in mind the contrasting perspectives of that era. The foremost preoccupation of individuals was to evade an unfavorable existence. Hence, they were inclined to arrange their cogitations, choices, and conduct in a manner that fostered enhanced contentment in life. It is essential to note that individuals did not inherently assume that attaining wealth, status, or aesthetic possessions would automatically lead to happiness. With utmost urgency, people sought to comprehend the means through which they could cultivate a virtuous soul. The primary objective of the Stoics was nothing less than attaining happiness or self-actualization, a concept they denoted as Eudaimonia. While virtue constitutes one aspect of the happiness triangle, the other angle is serenity, also known as ataraxia. It signifies a mental calmness that prevents negative emotions from overpowering and facilitates the alignment with virtue. According to the Stoics, it is precisely the emotional reactions to adverse circumstances that distort one's perception of reality. The so-called dichotomy of control stands as one of the utmost significant concepts in Stoicism. It revolves around discerning the elements within one's sphere of control and those outside of it. Among the former, we find factors such as opinions, judgments, and actions that one consciously chooses, and it is upon these that one should direct their attention, always mindful that there exist other elements beyond one's control. As Seneca eloquently stated, the wise individual concerns themselves with the intention behind their actions, rather than the outcomes. Here are the foremost principles and strategies that the Stoics advocate to enhance one's life. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. In this quote, one can promptly perceive the Stoic preoccupation with leading a righteous existence. Stoics believe that a virtuous life is synonymous with moral conduct. If one desires to thrive, it is imperative to embody moral justice. No person has the power to have everything they want, but it is in their power not to want what they don't have, and to cheerfully put to good use what they do have. Embracing Stoicism does not entail renouncing material possessions. In reality, Stoics regard material goods as morally neutral, as long as they contribute to one's happiness and ability to live virtuously. Nevertheless, Stoics remain acutely aware of the influence of consumerism on their tranquility and decision-making. Many individuals spend a substantial portion of their days consumed by dissatisfaction over not possessing a more aesthetically pleasing car or a larger dwelling, despite enjoying excellent health and possessing more belongings than most. Stoics consciously strive not to suffer from a sense of lack. Instead, they direct their attention towards cultivating gratitude for what they already possess. The Stoics adopt a distinct perspective on misfortune compared to the majority of people. They anticipate setbacks and view them as opportunities to refine their virtues. This is not to suggest that they derive joy from adversity, but rather, they endeavor to avoid needless lamentation and actively seek to extract benefits wherever possible. Keep death and exile before your eyes each day, along with everything that seems terrible. By doing so, you'll never have a base thought nor will you have excessive desire. Memento mori, a concept embraced by various philosophical traditions, including Stoicism and existentialism, holds significant importance. It serves as a reminder to remember that you will die. Although this may appear somber, Stoics believe that contemplating one's mortality can cultivate a greater sense of gratitude and inspire virtuous actions. Rather than constantly yearning for more, this practice prompts Stoics to cherish and appreciate what they possess while they still have it. What does it mean to embrace Stoicism in modern times? One notable characteristic of Stoicism, which contributed to its prominence as a philosophical current, is its pragmatic nature. It is regarded as a practical toolbox that facilitates progress towards self-realization. To practice Stoic philosophy, it is essential to take the following actions. Practice discernment by distinguishing between what falls within your sphere of control and what lies beyond it. Focus on accepting and managing the aspects of life that are within your power to change or influence. Engage in the management of negative emotions by subjecting them to rational analysis. Rather than being overwhelmed by emotions, strive to understand their underlying causes and evaluate them objectively. Cultivate a mindful awareness of the present moment. Avoid dwelling on past regrets or future anxieties and instead direct your attention to the here and now. By staying grounded in the present, you can minimize emotional suffering. Direct your attention inward, emphasizing internal thoughts and reflections. Reduce dependence on external circumstances for happiness or fulfillment. Focus on developing your inner virtues and strengths. Try maintain a Stoic journal where you record significant occurrences of each day. Use this journal as a tool for self-reflection and analysis. Assess your successes, failures, and identify tasks that still need to be accomplished, fostering personal growth and improvement. Stoicism offers a practical philosophy for living a fulfilling life. It emphasizes maximizing positive emotions, minimizing negative emotions, and cultivating virtues of character. It reminds us to appreciate what we have, focus on what truly matters, and accept what we cannot control. Remember that life is short, and let it inspire us to live with purpose. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff.